Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful crystal ball inner engraving with Ki5 in a 3D engraving machine. To engrave inside the crystal ball, we need to turn the machine upside down, just like it in this video. Turn the machine upside down. We also need a bracket, so we can put the crystal ball and mold on the bracket. By default, in the X setting, motion settings, when we press the up button, the Z-axis will go up, and when we press down button, it will go down. But we need to uncheck this revert, so when we press downside, it will go up. When we press up button, it will go down. This is what we need to engrave for a crystal ball. To engrave a crystal ball, we need a mold. This mold has a curve, so we can put the crystal ball into the mold. And we need to fill water between the crystal ball and the mold. It will need around 1 milliliter water to fill the gap between the crystal ball and the mold. Around 1 milliliter water is needed. And then put the crystal ball into the mold slowly to avoid bubble. Slow to avoid bubble. The gap between the ball and the mold is filled with water now, and then put the mold and the ball on the bracket. This bracket can be purchased from the internet or purchased from Keyso. Before we start, we need to check the height of the mold. In our case, it is 30 millimeter. We also need to check the height of the ball side, the side of the ball, the center of the ball to the mold surface. In our case, it is 21 millimeter. 30 millimeter plus 21 millimeter, we got 51 millimeter. 51. Same as before, we need to import STL or OBJ file into the software and adjust size, position, angle, same as before. The only difference is we need to set the Z-axis height to the double of 51. We got a 51 previously, right? Now we need to input double of 51, that is 102, to make this virtual crystal block. The size we recommend is the half of the crystal ball. For example, if the diameter of the crystal ball is 70 millimeter, then the size of the 3D object in software should be half of the size, that is 35 millimeter. Then generate. Finally, same as before, we need to move the Z-axis I find the focus point. We need to make the focus point to the downside of the mold. The distance from the lens to the downside of the mold should be around 129. This distance can be measured from our previously made tutorial when we make crystal block in the engraving. Now the focus point is set to 129 mm. Now we need to set the current position to home, to 0, and then check OK. Now the machine is calibrated. The focus point is set. Now we can click red light to get a preview. And now cancel the red light preview. We should be able to see the red laser or blue laser inside the crystal ball. We need to make the laser beam to the center. Move the crystal ball to make the laser in the center of the ball. We can see a red dot. We can also see a light blue laser. We can also remove the crystal ball to check if the red light is in the center of the mold, and then put it back. Now we can start marking, engraving. Let's have a clear, close look. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to contact us for anything.